Hi and welcome to today's review of the Trek Domane AL2 Sportif. Let me have a look around the bike. Excuse me. Okay, before we start, there's a few things that are not standard on here. The tyres are not standard, and the tape and the lights are not standard, nor the mud guards. So let's get into it. So the frame set. So you get carbon fibre fork, which is OCLV, optimal compaction, low void. Really good fork, also good for dampening road noise, so this is a very comfortable bike to ride. You get an aluminium frame, you get mounts for 2 water bottles, sorry, you get mounts for 3 water bottles. You get mudguard eyes, rack eyes. The only thing you don't get is you don't get a mount at the bottom there for a for the mudguard. So that's the frame. It's aluminium. It's internally routed as well, which is a good thing. So let's have a look at the components. So this one is equipped with Claris group set. So you get disc brakes that are, who are they made by? Let's have a look. You get Tektro, is it Tektro? Tektro disc brakes, I will check that. You get Claris shifters, and they are STI units, so they're gears and brakes. You get alloy handlebars, alloy stem. You get, the wheels are tubeless ready, and originally they come with Bontrager puncture resistant tyres. You get a 2-speed Claris chainset, you get a Claris front derailleur, Claris rear derailleur, you get 8 gears. What else do you get? You get an alloy seat post, and you get a Trek saddle. So the components are pretty good. They're quite hard wearing, which is a good thing. The build, the Treks are really good. So if you have a look at some of the wells up here, they are very tiny. So have a look at the point where they all seem to miss out. They're very good. Very nicely welded, very nicely made. Wheels centered. Yeah, build is really good. Build is really good. Okay, the look. Let's take a step back. I think it's stunning. I think it's stunning with that deep sort of bluey greeny sort of colour, sort of navy. I think it's lovely. I think it's really good looking bike to look at. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So these retail in 2023 for £750. Is it good value for money? Yeah, I think it is. I think it is good value for money. I mean, it's carbon fork, tick, aluminium frame with internal routing, tick, loads of bottle cages and mounting points, and a Claris 8-speed group set, so when things do wear out, it's not going to cost you a fortune. Yeah, I think it's really good value for money at the time. Now, if you can pick up a second-hand one of these, I think you'll get an absolute bargain. An absolute bargain. So yeah, I really like these. Really like these Trek Domanes. And this one is at a really good price point. So thanks for watching. If you've got one of these, we'd love to know what you think of it. If you're thinking of buying one, we hope this has helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos so you get to see our reviews the second they come out. Thanks for watching.